Dear children, every time you don't have to register yourself by clicking the join scratch procedure. Okay, now you are already registered, so all you need to do is just click to sign in, go to your account and start creating the projects. So how to reach this page? So you can note down this website scratch.mit.edu, or bookmark this tab also, or in the Google type scratch.mit and press enter. Use the first link and you will be taken to this tab. Okay, then you can click on sign in, write your username over here, and put up your password. In case you do not remember, you can click on need help. Say for example, now when I clicked over here, it says incorrect username or password, because my account is bingo12 underscore. This is my username. Now when I do sign in, it is going to accept. Okay, just because I will show you the steps again. What happens if you forget the account, or if you forget your account details? So what you need to do, click on the sign in, click on need help. Okay, so once you click on need help, you have to enter your username. My username over here is bingo12 underscore, or you can type the email address that you are registered, any one of these. Okay, so better you type your school email ID only and then click send me the password reset link. Okay, so they have mailed. So all you need to do is go to your inbox, that is mail ID, and it says reset your password scratch. So click on reset your password scratch and this will take you to this. Okay, so you have changed. Scroll down and click on this slide. Check on the username. Click here to change the password. So click. And then you are taken to another tab. Now here, write the new password, confirm the password again, and click change my password. And that's how you can change the password. Now children, again you don't have to sign in. It says your password has been set. You may go ahead and log in now. So click login. That was the procedure in case when you forget your account details. Okay. Click login. So now you can click create and start creating your own projects.